everyone. So today let's unbox this Echo Dot from Alexa or Amazon. It comes such in a blue, light blue and white color packing. You can see on this side it says Alexa is happy to help. It's a smart speaker plus Alexa. This side it gives all the Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone on and off, in-app privacy controls, and it is compatible with thousands of activities you can do, and compatible with Amazon Prime Music, JioSaavn, Spotify, Wipro, Sanjeev Kapoor, all those things. So let's unbox this. As soon as you unbox this, you get the Alexa speaker. So I got the black color. You can see on the top there are 4 buttons, plus minus, and one mute and unmute. The light indicator which comes in different color. The power cable, the 2-pin cable and power cable, and some paperwork. This is manual Alexa and everything. One more thing, you can see Meteor app. This is the microphone on and off, tap detection. It has a light ring below and volume plus or minus and action button. So how do you set up? Connect it Alexa to be installed in your phone or device, and then plug it on and connect it. Add about the light rings. If it is blue, it means that Alexa is listening. It's orange, it means your device is in setup mode or trying to connect to the internet. Yellow, you have now new notification. And if it is red, the microphone is off, Alexa can't hear you. It's purple, your device is in do not disturb mode. Green, you have incoming call, and you can say answer the call. And privacy and support. Things to try with Alexa. Start by asking Alexa, what can you do? You can also stop a response at any time by saying Alexa stop. Listening and unwind, you can say Alexa play relaxing music, Alexa play the news. You can tell in different languages. You can ask some questions like Alexa, when is India's next cricket match, and something like that. And also other things to do with Alexa is you can keep the family in sync, like Alexa call mom, Alexa announce dinner is ready. You can control your smart home like Alexa switch on the light, Alexa switch off the light. You can say manage your day by saying Alexa wake me up to top hits every morning at 7 a.m. Alexa add bananas to my shopping list. I got one extra accessory with this. It's from a separate such a way. So it will be tangle wire free and tangle free, and this can be directly connected to the plug. Thank you.